Hello everyone, welcome to Bike Review Pro, introducing the masterpiece of production choppers, the new 2026 Honda Fury. The new 2026 Honda Fury defining feature remains its radical, stretched-out chopper stance, now cleaner than ever. The sleek, iconic teardrop headlight on the new 2026 Honda Fury houses powerful modern LED technology. The new 2026 Honda Fury specialized frame is engineered for that clean, hardtail look without sacrificing comfort. The massive raked front end gives the new 2026 Honda Fury its unmistakable, aggressive custom chopper profile. From the left profile, the new 2026 Honda Fury showcases the perfect balance of custom style and factory reliability. Even on the open road, the new 2026 Honda Fury commands an incredible presence. At its heart, the new 2026 Honda Fury runs a powerful, reliable V-twin engine that delivers muscular torque. The maintenance-free shaft drive on the new 2026 Honda Fury ensures a clean look and smooth power transfer. From the rear, the massive 200 series tire gives the new 2026 Honda Fury a powerful, custom chopper look. The minimalist integrated taillight on the new 2026 Honda Fury keeps the rear fender incredibly clean. The custom dual exhaust on the new 2026 Honda Fury produces that deep, resonant V-twin rumble. The The sculpted, pinstriped fuel tank of the new 2026 Honda Fury provides the perfect centerpiece. The ergonomic handlebar setup of the new 2026 Honda Fury ensures a comfortable, laid-back riding position. The tank-mounted analog speedometer of the new 2026 Honda Fury keeps the handlebars clean. The distinctive 5-spoke wheels of the new 2026 Honda Fury complete the aggressive custom look. Powerful front disc brakes on the new 2026 Honda Fury provide excellent stopping power. The low-slung, gunfighter-style seat of the new 2026 Honda Fury offers comfort and style. The hidden rear suspension system of the new 2026 Honda Fury delivers a smooth ride while maintaining the hardtail aesthetic.